In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent blur effect in Canva. This technique is perfect for adding a professional touch to your designs and can be used to create more visual depth by subtly blurring parts of your image. To achieve this effect, make sure you're signed into your Canva account and have your project ready to go. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening Canva in your web browser. You can do this by typing canva.com into your search bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the website, click on the Continue button to proceed with logging in. If you haven't already logged in, you might need to choose your account from the options given. Simply click on your account to sign in. After you're logged in, you'll want to hit Continue again if prompted. Once you're all set with the login, go to the home screen of Canva. You can do this by clicking on the Home option found in the menu at the top of the page. Now we're ready to start working on your project. You'll want to open the specific project you plan to edit. Look for your project under the All Your Designs section or wherever you've saved it. Click on it to open it up and get started. With your project open, identify the image you wish to apply the blur effect to. Click on the image to select it. You should now see a variety of editing options appear. Next, locate the Edit button, which you'll find somewhere in the toolbar that's now visible above your design. Click on it to reveal more options. Under the editing options, look for the Effects section. This is where you'll find the blur tool that we'll be working with. Click on Blur within the Effects section. This is where the magic happens. After selecting Blur, you'll want to decide whether you want to blur just a portion or the entire image. For this tutorial, click on the Whole Image option to apply the blur effect across the entire image. Now you'll see a slider appear that allows you to adjust the intensity of the blur effect. Slide it to the right to increase the blur or to the left to decrease it. Adjust the intensity based on how pronounced you want the effect to be. It's all up to your creative vision. That's it. You've successfully applied a transparent blur effect to your image in Canva. This small adjustment can create a striking focal point and add a professional aesthetic to your designs, whether it's for a background, presentation, or social media post. Play around with different blur intensities and see what works best for your project. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your next Canva creation.